I'm Christina, your route planner. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use the navigation device during your trip, focusing on the RideWithGPS app, the application for cycling that you will find on the phone that we provide you. The phone is a rugged shock and water-resistant device with a high-capacity battery. On the main screen, you will find the orange logo RideWithGPS. So, let's start. What you need to do before starting to use RideWithGPS app. Turn on the Wi-Fi connection. Turn on the GPS icons. The device has no data connection and only works with the GPS connection. How to download your experience. This step is also explained during our welcome briefing. Enter the app and click on the button Open Shortcut. Enter the shortcut and click Submit. Enter the email that our team provides you and save. Once inside, you find the two macro sections, Route and Guide. Route includes your itinerary tracks. Guides includes your itinerary contents day by day, bike repairs shop, contact and emergency details. Route section. This is where you find your holiday tracks. Click on the daily stage to enter the route. Each route consists of a red line is the trajectory of your tracks. Black arrows is your direction. Cue sheet icon with signal and vocal directions. Accommodation icon with your hotels. Cutlery icon with the recommended restaurants. Landmark icon with the cultural point of interest. Photo camera icon with the viewpoints. Then, click on the navigation button to start navigation. Locate. You are the blue dot. Wait a few seconds to locate yourself. The blue itinerary appears at your location. Voice commands and text will guide you. You can turn off the volume by scrolling down the menu and clicking on the silent icon. How to read the screen. Recenter to locate you if you are lost in the map. Metrics to make a check of distance, speed, moving time. Elevation to check the elevation. Cue sheet to display direction in real time. Tools. Never change the app settings. Multi-level. Before starting, a member of our team will check that the icons in the overlays group are highlighted in red. How to end the navigation properly. First, click on the pause button for a few seconds. Then, click on Finish Navigation. The next day, enter the app, go to the route section, click on the track of the day to start. How to return to navigation in case of exit. Return to Open Shortcut. Re-enter the code and email derived to you. Remember to have Wi-Fi turned on. What to do in case of a track update. If your track has been updated, the office will alert you to do a refresh. A notification will appear on the phone. Hold Wi-Fi connection. Click OK, then download the experience again as the beginning of this guide. So, I hope it was all clear and helpful. Last thing, even if the device has a high-capacity battery, remind to charge it every night. Now you are ready to explore each corner of our region. So don't hurry, ride happy!